If you're new to the exciting world of credit cards and are eager to kickstart your journey towards building good credit, you're in the perfect place. We've got your back and we've done all the legwork for you. No need to worry about extensive research. We've got all the essential information right here. This is Foxfire Finance, and we are committed to spreading the great news and concepts of the FIRE movement to anyone dreaming of a better life. We aim to help you achieve your goals by providing meaningful tips and strategies that will bring you closer to your dreams of financial independence and retiring early. But first, don't forget to subscribe, burn that like button, and ring that notification bell to be updated on our latest releases to guide you on your way to FIRE. Before we dive into our top credit card recommendations, let's chat about why using a credit card can be a savvy choice, especially if you're new to the financial scene. Building good credit is like laying a strong foundation for your financial future, and a credit card can be a fantastic tool for getting started. When used responsibly, it helps you establish a positive credit history, which can open doors to better financial opportunities down the road. So, let's explore how you can harness the power of credit cards to kickstart your journey towards a more secure financial future. Here are the 5 best credit cards that beginners in 2023 may get and use to leverage their finances. Card 1. Discover It Secured Credit Card. Let's talk about an incredible credit card option that's perfect for beginners, the Discover Card. One of the standout features of this card is that it comes with no annual fee. That means you don't have to worry about shelling out money just to keep the card in your wallet. Now let's get into the rewards, which are pretty sweet. With this card, you'll earn a fantastic 2% cashback on purchases at restaurants and gas stations, up to the first $1,000 spent. So if you're someone who enjoys dining out or frequently fills up at the pump, this card can put money back in your pocket. But the perks don't stop there. On top of the 2% cashback, you'll also earn an unlimited 1% cashback on everything else you buy with the card. This is like getting a little bonus for your everyday spending, from groceries to shopping and more. Here's the cherry on top. Discover is currently running a promotion where they'll match the cashback you earn in the first year. Yes, you heard that right. If you earn $200 in cashback during your first year, Discover will double it, giving you a whopping $400 in cashback rewards. It's a fantastic way to kickstart your credit card journey. And there's more good news. Discover offers a valuable tool for tracking your financial progress. You can monitor your FICO score for free on the platform, allowing you to keep an eye out on how your credit score is improving over time. This feature is immensely helpful for those looking to build and maintain a strong credit history. In summary, the Discover card is a standout choice for beginners. No annual fee, great cashback rewards, a cashback match promotion their first year, and free access to your FICO score make it a fantastic option for anyone looking to start their credit journey on the right foot. Are you ready for card number 2? Card number 2, Amazon Prime Rewards Card. It's time to take a better look at the fantastic perks of the Amazon Prime Rewards Card, tailor-made for Amazon enthusiasts. To fully unlock its benefits, you'll need an active Amazon Prime membership, which offers a multitude of benefits on its own. First off, just for signing up, you'll receive a welcome bonus in the form of a $100 to $150 Amazon gift card. It's like a little gift from Amazon to get you started in your credit card journey. Now, the real magic happens when you use the card for your shopping. You'll enjoy an incredible 5% cashback on all your Amazon and Whole Foods purchases. Whether you're stocking up on groceries or treating yourself to the latest tech gadget, that 5% cashback can add up quickly. But wait, there's more! You'll also earn 2% cashback when dining out at restaurants, fueling at the gas stations, or picking up essentials at drugstores. So, whether you're enjoying a nice dinner, filling up your tank, or grabbing some necessities, this card has you covered. And even for those everyday expenses that don't fall into these categories, you'll still get a solid 1% cashback on everything else you buy with this card. It's like a little bonus for all your regular spending. In a nutshell, the Amazon Prime Rewards Card is a dream come true for Amazon and Whole Foods shoppers. With a generous sign-up gift, 5% cashback on Amazon and Whole Foods, 2% cashbacks at restaurants, gas stations, and drugstores, and 1% cashback on everything else. It's a must-have for anyone who loves to shop with Amazon and enjoys dining out. So if you're an Amazon Prime member, this card could be your ticket to earning some serious rewards on your everyday shopping. Moving on to card number 3, the Chase Freedom Flex Card. The Chase Freedom Flex Card is a fantastic option for those looking to maximize their rewards while enjoying some great perks. Right off the bat, this card offers you a sweet $200 bonus. And here's the kicker, you only need to spend $500 on purchases within the first 3 months to claim it. That's a pretty low spending threshold to earn a substantial bonus. Now let's talk about the ongoing rewards. With a Chase Freedom Flex Card, you'll have the opportunity to earn 5% cashback on up to $1,500 worth of bonus categories. These bonus categories change periodically and often include things like groceries, streaming services, or other everyday expenses. So you can earn big rewards in the things you're likely already spending money on. But it doesn't stop there. You'll also get 5% cashback on travel when you book through the Ultimate Rewards portal, making your vacations and getaways even more rewarding. Plus, you'll earn a solid 3% cashback at restaurants and dining, which is perfect for foodies or anyone who just enjoys eating out. Need to pick up some essentials at the drugstore? You'll earn 3% cashback there too. For all other purchases, you'll still receive a respectable 1% cashback, ensuring that you're earning rewards on every part of your spending. In summary, the Chase Freedom Flex Card is a well-rounded choice for those looking to earn significant rewards without an exorbitant spending requirement. With a generous $200 bonus, 5% cashback on bonus categories, 5% on travel, 3% at restaurants and drugstore, and 1% back on everything else, it's a card that offers a lot of value and flexibility for your everyday spending. Ready for card number 4? Here's Petal 2 Visa Card. Let's delve into a unique and newbie-friendly credit card option. A card that not only comes with no annual fee, but also offers a distinctive approach to credit approval. The Petal 2 Visa Card evaluates your credit limit based on your banking history, rather than solely relying on your credit score. What's exceptional about this is that it opens the door for individuals with little or no prior credit history to get approved. It's like a fresh start in the world of credit. But that's not all. This card goes the extra mile by doubling as a personal finance app. It's like having a financial advisor in your pocket. Not only does it manage your credit, it also provides valuable insights into your financial health. You'll get real-time calculations for your payments, see how interest might accrue if you don't pay off your balance, and even receive insights into your monthly spending habits. These personal finance tips can be invaluable for those looking to save money and manage your finances more effectively. It's like having a financial coach, helping you make informed decisions and build good financial habits. This credit card is an excellent choice for beginners, offering not only a no annual fee option, but also a credit approval process that considers your banking history, making it accessible for those without established credit. Plus, the added bonus of personal finance features can be a game changer for anyone looking to improve their financial well-being while building credit. It's a financial tool that offers convenience, accessibility, and valuable insights all at once. Now, shall we talk about our last but definitely not the least? Here's card number 5, the Citi Double Cash Rewards Credit Card. This credit card keeps things refreshingly simple. With this card, you'll enjoy the convenience of no annual fee, which means you won't have to worry about extra costs eating into your rewards. What's even better is the straightforward reward structure. You'll earn unlimited 2% cashback on everything you buy. Here's how that works. You get 1% cashback when you make a purchase, and then an additional 1% when you pay off that purchase. It's that easy. This means you're constantly earning cashback on your everyday spending, and you don't have to jump through hoops to calculate or redeem your rewards. It's a hassle-free way to put money back in your pocket as you shop and manage your finances responsibly. So, if you appreciate simplicity and want to earn rewards effortlessly, this card is a fantastic choice for you. So there you have it. our comprehensive overview of the top credit cards tailored for beginners in 2023. Building credit marks a crucial milestone in your financial voyage, and selecting the right credit card can certainly simplify the process. Always keep in mind the importance of responsible credit card usage. Pay your bills promptly and stick to your budget. Did you find this video helpful? If you did, then burn that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on how you can reach your financial goals. Until next time, we are Foxfire Finance and fire burning.